this video, we're going to go over Heco. But before we go any further, we're going to answer the most important question right now. And that question is, how the heck do you pronounce it? Now, if you're Western or you don't speak any Chinese, you're probably pronouncing it Huobi, which is not exactly right. So let's listen to Wu Xing, the senior director of this chain.
In Chinese, Huobi, Huo means popular, also means fire. Fire in Chinese means hot or popular at the same time. B means coins or currencies. B. So hot, yes, popular coins or hot coins. Yes, it's a hobby.
Now, with the most important question answered, we're going to go over the Huobi Eco Chain, or Heco. Now, if you guys don't know, with over 100,000 active users per day, Huobi Global has become one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. Now, Huobi Global provides users with various features such as spot trading, derivatives trading, margin trading, and institutional trading accounts, and now they release this new popular Huobi Eco Chain. So in this video, we're going to explain exactly what Heco is, how Heco works, and exactly what its goals are. Let's dive in. Launched in 2013, Huobi Global is a Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange. 1 year after launching, it managed to raise $10 million in investment. Now, Huobi Global originally started in China, but had to look for a new location, of course, after China's Bitcoin trade ban in September 2017. They're not the only ones to try to escape China's bans. Now, Huobi today has offices in Japan, Singapore, Hong Kong, and even the United States. According to CoinMarketCap, Huobi Global is the 6th largest exchange in the world, with trading volumes of 24 hours exceeding $3.9 billion. The Huobi Global Exchange supports a large number of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 250 different altcoins. Now, after Binance launched its popular smart chain back in September of 2020, it didn't take long before other exchanges started launching their own blockchains as well. Now, at the end of 2020, Huobi followed suit with their modified Ethereum fork, the Huobi Eco Chain. So what exactly is the Huobi Eco Chain, or Heco? Now, the Huobi Eco Chain is a decentralized, cost-efficient, and smart contract-compatible blockchain. Heco is still relatively young. It was launched in December 21st of 2020. Now, since a few months after its launch, Heco had processed more than 20 million transactions with more than 1 billion in locked assets. Now, Heco can be best compared with Binance.com's Binance Smart Chain, because both blockchains are known as exchange chains. The main reason that more and more users are switching to exchange chains and alternative blockchains is that Ethereum, the best known and first platform for supporting smart contracts and also dApps, is quite becoming expensive. As you can tell if you've bought an NFT or traded any type of altcoin using Ethereum, there are very peak times where Ethereum gas fees can be astronomical, so doing even small transactions is virtually impossible unless you want to burn a big hole through your MetaMask wallet. Now, Heco has also implemented an EVM or Ethereum Virtual Machine compatible system. This means that it allows developers to smoothly transfer the decentralized applications from Ethereum to the Heco ecosystem. Now, Huobi's main goal for the Heco ecosystem was to create an EVM-compatible and energy-saving public blockchain that could provide blockchain developers with a low-cost and efficient on-chain environment for digital assets, smart contracts, and dApps. Heco's slogan is simple: high performance, low gas fee, and better cross-chain user experience. Heco has published a roadmap from launch until Q1 2023 with planned features such as layer 2 solutions and protocol optimization. Now, how does Heco work? In order to execute transactions quickly and cheaply, as well as maintain a secure environment, Heco's meta transaction function helps reduce the gas fees even more for users who are holding the Huobi tokens. Huobi tokens are used for paying transaction fees, staking, and also for governance. Now, in order to vitalize the ecosystem and support developers, Heco offers 3 support plans. These 3 plans are the Economic Support Plan, the Traffic Support Plan, and the Resource Support Plan. The goal of the Economic Support Plan is to create a separate economic fund to support the ecosystem and fund the search for new talented developers to develop on the Heco ecosystem. Now, the second plan is Traffic Support. To motivate developers to launch dApps, they are eligible for traffic support. This means that if a developer successfully launches a dApp and its token meets the listing conditions of Huobi, the token can be listed on the Huobi Global exchange. Now, the third and final support plan is the Resource Support Plan. To promote launch products on Heco, Huobi Global publishes an official news report about the project. The project can then be promoted worldwide using various marketing services platforms provided. Successful projects receive multiple resources for even better promotion. Now, and in conclusion, with the exchange chain up and running, Huobi Global has followed Binance.com in its footsteps to become an appealing DeFi alternative for the congested Ethereum chain. Thanks to its supporting plans, Huobi Global created an incentive for developers to start building or transferring the dApps to Heco. Now that two of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world have launched their exchange chains, it will only be a matter of time before other crypto exchanges follow. And now, what do you guys think of the Huobi ecosystem? Do you guys like it? Do you guys dislike it? Let us know in the comments below, or join our amazing Telegram group, which I will leave a link to in the description below. As always, guys, stay safe in the DeFi space and have an amazing day.